What I was saying about these plasma balls is if you put, I don't know if you can see, but if you put your hand there, you can get that real thick line, and all the other energy, you know, like tentacles or whatever, sort of fade away, right? What you can do is you start to practice. So rather than touching the ball or the glass thing, is that you try to, you know, get it thick without touching it. And as you can see, I've just started filming. I'm starting to make that line really thick with my hands. It's off an inch, you know. Practice makes perfect. You can see the gap between the spherical glass object there, glass vase or what, I don't know, bowl. And that's when you realise that, you know, electromagnetism is a very, very, very strange thing that you don't need to use mechanical equipment to realise that you do have electromagnetism in you, right? And you can do exactly the same thing as what this is doing. All I see in there is a very high voltage, bit of kit to kick out some electromagnetism in a high voltage way with a glass ball with certain gases in to cause the colours, but get yourselves a plasma ball, right? Put your hand on it like that, right? And I'm telling you, my hand on my heart, you can actually feel that high electromagnetism or high electrical impulse going through the palm of your hand, right? And you take your hand away, and then you start like experimenting. Can you see? See? And it really attaches itself to you. And I'm trying to think to myself, well, are you like a magnet? Are we like magnets? Or we are opposite polarity to this, and this is why it's going through the glass to try and connect with us. Obviously if the glass wasn't there, I'd got my hand close to it, I would get electric shock. But all I'm trying to show is that we are electrical energy also, but you can start to, rather than thinking this is like a toy, it starts to open your mind up to other things. See how my hands off that. When I first got them, I had to be there and about there, to get into reaction. But now, I've just started to film. But with a little bit of practice, you get your hand higher and higher and higher, and that's not because this thing's getting any stronger. It's that you, I believe, or your energy is tapping into this energy, and your energy's thinking, that feels nice, I think I'll enjoy this experience, whether you're subconsciously or like consciously like me, clarting about and experimenting, your energy seems to wanting to react with it. And as you go along, you can literally, what I've started to do now, which sounds absolutely mental, crazy, when I look at it, I can really get excited, but somebody would have to film me doing that to prove that point, but it's nothing to be proven. It's get yourselves a couple of cheap plasma balls and have an experiment and realise how much actual energy is in you and how you react to other energy, and energy reacts back to you, and maybe it'll open doors. I'm a scientist by nature. I'm very cynical and very skeptical, but I enjoy science. But usually I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but I'm just experiment. But I think that is science, isn't it not? Anyway, I'll leave it for now.